nerd.vision is a non-breaking production-safe debugger that can be used on all Java, Node.js, and Python applications, with more languages to come. In this short video, we are going to cover installing the Python agent on your application. The nerd.vision Python agent is located within the pip package installer. Installing the Python agent is a two-step process. If we look at the agent quick start guide in the debugger UI, we can copy the commands directly from the page. First, we will run pip install nerd.vision to install the nerd.vision package into your local package repository. We will then copy the import and start command into the Python file we execute to start the application. Now, all we have to do is restart the Python application. With nerd.vision installed, we see the text starting nerd.vision in our terminal. If we go to the debugger UI, we can now see we have a connected client. You can install nerd.vision in under a minute and leave it installed on the server 24/7. So you will never need to restart to add logging to your application again.